This video will provide guidance on the application of NATROX O₂ for pressure injuries. To begin, the wound will need to be properly prepped. If you have not already done so, please view the Prepping the Wound video in this series before proceeding. Pressure injuries are typically located on bony prominences and, depending on the location, may require different considerations. For example, if a pressure injury is located on the sacrum or ischial tuberosity, it may be at risk of being contaminated by incontinence. Whichever intervention you would like to use to protect a wound and dressing from incontinence, apply the same intervention when using NATROX O₂. As a reminder, do not cover the wound with a petroleum-based product. As mentioned in previous videos, pressure injuries tend to be deeper wounds with undermining and/or tunneling. If the end of the undermining or tunneling cannot be probed, NATROX O₂ is contraindicated. Starting on a clean surface, remember to loosely pack tunneling or undermining with an absorptive prior to placing the NATROX O₂ ODS. Remove the NATROX O₂ ODS from the sterile packaging and place the wheel, shiny beige side up, directly onto the wound bed. If the wound is larger in diameter than 4 inches by 4 inches, a second NATROX O₂ kit could be ordered, or the location of the NATROX ODS wheel could be rotated on the wound with each dressing change. Secure the ODS tubing with a small piece of tape onto the skin, paying special attention to the direction of the tubing. Position the tubing to run toward the waist. For wounds with heavy exudate or drainage, or wounds that require a wound filler, place these products over the ODS. Examples are alginates or hydrofibers. Next, apply an appropriate semi-occlusive dressing over the ODS. The dressing choice is indicated by the amount of drainage and the wound characteristics and is directed by the provider. We suggest covering the ODS with an adhesive, bordered, semi-occlusive foam dressing. Change the dressings as indicated in the IFU for the dressing, or when leakage or strike-through of exudate or drainage is noticed. The goal is to eventually only need to change the dressing once every 7 days. The ODS will need to be replaced with each dressing change. Some type of pressure redistribution should be utilized for the bed and/or wheelchair as per local policy. Slide a fully charged battery into the NATROX O₂ OG and confirm the green light is blinking. This indicates that the device is working. The tubing should then be connected to the OG by twisting the lure lock clockwise. Be careful not to over-tighten. Place the NATROX OG in a place where the tubing won't get kinked. If using the holster, make sure the green light can be seen. For more information, please refer to the Using the Holster video.